Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a privacy mode on your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. If you want the camera to on scheduled times hide the lens so it doesn't record you, you can simply click on three dots in top right corner. Then go to camera settings and you will find physical lens blocking. Now you can schedule it to certain times. Let's click on plus and you can schedule times so it'll automatically block and unblock at certain times, or just the lens blocking or just the lens unblocking at certain times. I will schedule the full time, so the starting and ending time. First, let's select the repetition. You can set it to once, every day, or custom. I will set it to, I guess, like once, or no, let's set it to every day. Why not? Physical lens blocking starting time. Let's set it to maybe like 10:15. And the ending time, let's set it to, let's say 8:15. Now, let's approve it here. And in those times, the camera will not record. I'll show you how it works. So when physical lens is being blocked automatically, it will work like that the lens will hide, and when it's off it will just unhide and go back to its set previous position. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.